moving. Big smile on his face.
I didn't get to ask him if he coloured in.
Oh, we'll have to ask him when we get there.
So is that the white ute thing, is that his pilot car?
No, it's not. I don't know who it is, but the silver car should be Bernard behind him.
No, Bernard's on the footplate.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Oh, so that'll be Paul in. He'll probably find a place to pull over and let the traffic go. This part here, he'll let the traffic go. And they're going to do a driver change down the road a bit here. Oh look, you can hear the whistle all right. The microphone may not pick that up though because it probably thinks it's background. Yeah, I'll just pull over behind him too, just for a bit. Let the traffic go. He's got the hammer out. This looks a bit serious.
What a lovely smell.
It is, actually.
That one guy went past, I don't know if you saw him, he was like, truck coming the other way and he scooted around and going, mate,
Yeah,
you had to wait another 30 seconds.
yeah,
Some
yeah.
of them are just ridiculous.
Yeah, there's always one.
Patience.
Well, you go first.
All right.
Okay. You'll put your hazards on, Mark?
No, that's right. Yeah, so 25, about 20 kilometres an hour downhill, we'd probably pick up a little bit of speed. See it rattling and you can hear it rattling away.
I haven't gone right through it. Someone's taking pictures.
Oh yeah,
Go back up a bit, Mark, so that...
yeah. I think that guy was up around the railway station before. Yes, it does turn heads, that's for sure.
I think what it's going to be like when yours goes, Mark.
Yeah.
We'll have to make arrangements for you to meet up with Gary on the road.
Yeah.
I say they've stopped to have a look.
I'm sure plenty of people will stop and have a look. Now he's going to go through these lights and he's going to,
Look.
yeah, bits of timber. He's going to go through these lights and turn at the next ones. As long as it's nothing apart off the engine, we'll be right.
Oh, they're all a little bit too good.
Yeah.
Me out the window, say to this guy, hey, come tomorrow and Sunday and see it running. Did you come out near the shop, Mark?
Yes, the other side of the shop, yeah. That's right, they're doing their driver change. I'll go have a chat to Gary quickly. All good, mister?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, I actually got too much water.
Oh, that's not good.
I just looked at that, it was about there. So
Yeah,
I
right.
put a little bit in it.
Well, you can turn around and wave to the camera. You are just covered in oil.
No, I'm not. Well, I've got too much water.
Hang on. Is that good? Hello. Driver change. Here's the crew.
Yeah. I've got too much water.
We are on our way down to Old Petrie Town for the steam fair. We're on a main road here, or a side road. I'm going to go across the road. The road Loco's doing a fantastic job. It's a bit in the shade here. We're behind us in the Mahindra. And we'll watch these guys take off and catch up with them. We'll jump back into the car and catch up with them.
Shadows creeping round the block at night. Deep bass banging feels just right. Strong vibes rolling, drum line heavy. This groove's alive, keep your tempo steady. Feel the heat, let it rise in your chest. Bounce to the rhythm, no need for rest. Groove so fierce, gonna light the streets. We own the night, feel the heat. Moonlight
We'll
sharp
get there.
slicing through the fog.
Bit full of water.
Beat like a heartbeat jog. Step into the rhythm like a king.
Yeah.
This is where when you're working, everybody works and stop to look.
When you're going slow in these, when you're going at this speed, you really only need to make a very minor correction. You can quickly overcompensate. Yes.
It's only on you basically turns too quickly and the chain really pulls it up.
Neon hums like a subtle frill. Shadows dance on the windowsill. Concrete dreams in the glow collide. Breathe it in, let the waves decide.
It's amazing what you see on the road. Here we go, we got, look at this. Oh, it's alright. we stop, we'll get these doggies out. Right, hey, you who? Hey, over here, puppies, testing, 1, 2, no. Can you hear me okay? Can you see yourself?